Whoever is watching us, my name is Gerald Chimoli. I am a commercial farmer. I do farming as a business. This is Chigozi Fresh Farm. I gave it Chigozi Fresh Farm because Chigozi is my other name, and really it gives me the reason to wake up every day. We do sweet peppers here. Some call them capsicums, some call them bell peppers. We have specialized in that. We've tried out other things, but we decided to specialize in this. I hope you enjoy whatever we're going to tell you, we're going to share with you, and we can always share because it's a learning experience. I am 8 years down the road, but I am still learning as well. So please do not take this as the last lesson for you. We are learning together and still learning.